Alright. So guys, finally got the exhaust installed. Meet Lindsay. Lindsay.
Hey y'all. We're in the parking lot, so this isn't going to be exciting.
Take it on the street.
I'm intrigued by this little fuzzball you got on the top of this thing. Is that an aftermarket fuzzball, or is that a stock fuzzball?
That's aftermarket.
Dope.
It's not droney, I like it. It's definitely not droney.
See, this
Not at all. Cold starts are gonna be brutal.
yeah, it should be interesting. Neighbors are gonna love you. Missed a golden opportunity with the overpass.
I'll get it on the way back. I didn't want to rev it on a cold motor.
Cold motor.
It definitely doesn't sound like a Honda.
No. Sounds like my stock Honda.
I like it. Definitely like it.
Hey Mikey, he likes it.
$800?
What?
Headers?
You get eBay headers for like $500. You know those things are tried and true.
Can't hear it inside, really.
Yeah, that's kind of a good thing.
See, that's what the problem is with the NVIDIA N1. It's so droney.
You don't want me to be me.
You're gonna be my new YouTuber.
And that, folks, rising star coming up. Don't even have a channel. Don't even have a channel. Don't need one. I'll just ride around with people that have channels, and that'll be my channel.
Bet.
I'm gonna be on PewDiePie. I'm gonna go all the way to Switzerland or wherever the fuck that dude lives. It's a yield sign, not a stop sign. The real question is where are all the performance gains? You know?
There's definitely no performance gains. But it is 7 pounds lighter than stock exhaust.
A little bit better. So what you need to do
It's a weight reduction, bro.
is you need to hit up Cobb, get them to send you a tuner, an access port. Cobb, an
What
access
happened to the guy?
port.
What happened to that one you're gonna get from that one guy?
Whoa, Cadillac, getting some. The one that I was gonna get from that one guy, he never showed up.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
So downshift to fourth, 55, 4,000 RPMs, 65, fifth gear. So sixth gear at 80 miles an hour, 3,500 RPMs. It's not too bad. Not too snazzy.
I like it. I like it.
Now I just want to mod the shit out of it.
Did you put it into race mode yet?
No.
Oh.
No.
That's what the R is on there, right? It's race mode.
Definitely not. It's really fast. In fact, that torque dip kind of went away.
That would be the torque curve.
Torque curve? Torque dip, I thought.
You're a dip.
Dippy dip.
Ooh.
Alright guys, gotta go back to work. Say bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
Back once again, sipping hand mixed with juice and gin.